Good morning and welcome to the E class of St.Xaviers High School, Adipur. Today we are going to study Science of Standard A, chapter number 5, Coal and Petroleum, part 1. So children, I would like to tell you one thing. Whenever we are going to discuss any topic through these videos, you should take out your textbooks, okay? You should take out your science textbook and then take out that page and do the tally, okay, and which topic we are going through, so that you can able to understand the whole thing. Whatever the diagrams are there in your textbook or whatever the information is given, so that whatever that we are doing explanation over here, then you will be able to easily understand. So let us discuss about the coal and petroleum. These coal and petroleum, if you have ever heard that their rates are getting changed again and again. Why? Because it can be very less in amount due to our excessive use. It can be exhausted. Okay, वो खत्म हो जाएगा if we will use in our excessive amount in our life. Okay. So, what are the inexhaustible natural resources and what are the exhaustible natural resources? Let us discuss this whole thing. In the light of the availability of various resources in nature, natural resources can be broadly classified into two kinds: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are the resources which are natural, but they can not be finished by our excessive use, the human activity. Okay, by the human activity also, excessive human activity also, it will not get finished. For example, sunlight and air. So what are the exhaustible natural resources? The amount of the resources in the nature is very limited and they can get finished, they can get exhausted by the human activities. Okay. For example, the forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. So what are the fossil fuels? Some exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible means जो जल्दी से खत्म हो सकता है, because they are very limited in nature. Some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas, these are formed from the dead remains of the living organisms. That's why it is known as fossil. And this fossil fuel is known as fossil fuel. Okay, जो fuel is fossil में से produce होगा, that is known as fossil fuels. So what is coal? Okay, our first point 5.1 is coal. Coal is a hard as stone and it is black in color. If you have ever seen a coal that is in a black in color and it looks like a stone, but it is not as strong as stone, but it is look like stone. Okay, and hard also, but not too hard. Coal is one of the fuels used to cook food. Either it was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. It is also used in the thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is also used as a fuel in various industries. Children, these uses can be asked in 2 to 3 marks. That write the uses of coal. So you have to write these uses of the coal. Now, let us discuss about the story of a coal. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forests in low-lying wetland areas. Okay, so there were forests, there was water, okay, everywhere, but no humankind. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. What happened? बहुत flood आए, earthquakes आए, okay, तो क्या हुआ? That whole trees got turned up, they fallen down and then the soil got up on that, and that's why these forests got buried under these soil. As more soil deposit over them, this whole process of flooding and earthquake was the amount of flooding and the earthquake were many, okay, and due to this the soil deposition was more. As more soil deposit over them, they were compressed. Okay, compressed मतलब हम कोई भी चीज़ को compress करते हैं means उसको कम करना, उसको press करना. Okay. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Okay, these fossils, as they got inside the soil deeper and deeper, the temperature raised inside it. Okay. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants get slowly converted into coal, as coal contains mainly carbon. Okay. What coal contains? Carbon. The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. So, the definition of the carbonization is, as coal contains many carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called fossil fuel. When heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. What is liberated when the coal is heated? The carbon dioxide gas, that is CO2. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas. Let us discuss that what is coke, what is coal tar and what is coal gas in detail. Coke. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It is almost pure form of carbon. So, pure form of carbon is coke. Coke is also used in the manufacture of steel in the extraction of many metals. Okay. For the extraction of any other metals, coke is manufactured, okay, of steel. For the steel manufacture, this coke is used, okay, for extraction of many metals. Coal tar. What is coal tar? Coal tar is also black, but it is thick liquid with unpleasant smell. Here, coke was tough and porous, and here coal tar is thick liquid. Okay, that is a coke is in a solid form, coal tar is in the liquid form. It is a mixture of 200 substances. एक या दो चीज़ें added नहीं है उसके अंदर. There are 200 substances in that mixture of coal tar. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances used in everyday life and in industry like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic material, roofing material, etc. So, these are the uses of the coal tar. Separately, the coal tar uses also can be asked for 2 to 3 marks. And this whole coal tar can be asked in the 3 marks. Interestingly, naphthalene balls used to repel moths and other insects are also obtained from the coal tar. This is just for information. These days, bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in place of coal tar for metaling the roads. But it can be asked in 1 mark that these days a petroleum product is used in the place of a coal tar for metaling the roads. So, your answer is bitumen. So, the third one is the coal gas. First was coke, second was coal tar and third is coal gas. So, let us discuss what is the coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. For the coke production, the processing of coal gas is done. The coke is in the solid form, coal tar is in the liquid form, and coal gas is in the gaseous form. It is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Let us see its history. What is coal gas history? Coal gas was used for street lighting for the first time in London in 1810 and in New York around 1820. Nowadays, it is used as a source of heat rather than light. Children, your home assignment is to write a short note on the story of coal. Thank you and have a nice day.